Hey there, radicals! Let's dive into the raw truth about nutrition. It's not just about what fuels our bodies, but it shapes our health, our energy, and ultimately, our lives. Now, when we talk about nutrition, we're not just talking about calories and macronutrients. We're talking about the very building blocks of our bodies. We're talking about the vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that keep us healthy and thriving. Unfortunately, in our modern world, many of us are not getting the nutrition we need. We're eating foods that are high in empty calories and low in essential nutrients. This bad nutrition can lead to a host of health problems. It can sap our energy, cloud our minds, and even put us at risk for chronic diseases. But here's the good news. It's never too late to make a change. And that's where the 21 Days Raw Challenge comes in. This challenge is all about redefining your relationship with food. It's about embracing foods that are not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your body craves. For 21 days, you'll be eating foods that are raw, fresh, and vibrant. You'll be saying goodbye to processed foods and hello to a world of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. You'll be drinking fresh coconut water and even making your own nut milk. This challenge isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance. It's about discovering the incredible variety and deliciousness of raw foods. And it's about giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Are you ready to redefine your relationship with food? Are you ready to experience the power of nutrition in a whole new way? If you're ready to revolutionize your health, join me on this transformative journey with the 21 Days Raw Challenge. So, what's this 21 Days Raw Challenge all about? In essence, it's a commitment to nourish your body with raw, unprocessed, and nutrient-dense foods for 21 days. This journey begins with the first step, and that's preparation. It's about readying your mind and body for a transformative experience. You'll be stocking up on vibrant fruits, crunchy veggies, nutrient-dense nuts and seeds, and flavorful spices. You'll also be saying goodbye to processed foods, artificial sweeteners, and other unhealthy habits. As you step into the first week, you might experience a few withdrawal symptoms. This is your body adjusting to the new, healthier regimen. Remember, it's a detoxification process. Imagine it as your body's way of cleaning house, getting rid of the old, and making room for the new. By the second week, you'll start to notice changes. Your energy levels will rise, your skin will start to glow, and you'll feel lighter and more active. This is your body thanking you for the good stuff you're feeding it. The third week is about consolidation. You've come a long way, and your body is now accustomed to this new way of living. You'll notice that your cravings have changed. That's right, you're now craving healthy raw foods. Your taste buds have been retrained to enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits, the crunchiness of veggies, and the richness of nuts and seeds. And then, the final step, reflection. This is when you look back and appreciate the journey you've embarked on. You've not only changed your eating habits, but you've changed your lifestyle, your mindset, and most importantly, your relationship with food. This journey is not just about what you eat, but it's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes health, vitality, and wellness. It's about understanding that food is not just fuel, but medicine. It's about realizing that you have the power to transform your health, one bite at a time. And most importantly, it's about discovering that the path to wellness is not a destination, but a journey. A journey that you've just begun. Now you might be wondering, what exactly can you eat on this challenge? Don't fret, we have a plethora of delicious and nutrient-rich foods for you to enjoy. Firstly, say yes to all fruits. From succulent mangoes to sweet berries, you can indulge in the fruity goodness that nature offers. Coconuts are also a fantastic choice, offering a refreshing and hydrating taste that's a true tropical delight. Next, dive into a vibrant world of leafy greens and crisp vegetables. These provide essential nutrients that help you feel energized and vibrant. But don't forget about raw nuts and seeds. These nutrient-packed powerhouses lend a satisfying crunch to your meals. Just remember to pre-soak them for 12 hours before use to make them easier to digest. And to add a burst of flavor to your dishes, use fresh spices. They enhance your raw vegan culinary experience, making each meal a taste sensation. Now what about drinks? Fresh coconut water is a wonderful choice. It's nature's electrolyte-rich beverage, free from additives or preservatives. You could also opt for spring or distilled water to keep yourself hydrated. If you want something a bit more flavorful, try lemon water or fruit-infused water. They add a refreshing twist to your hydration routine. You can also sip on vibrant and nutrient-packed juices and smoothies, blending nature's goodness into a delightful drink. And for a creamy and delicious option, make your own nut milk using soaked nuts. Remember, the approved preparation methods for these foods include blending, juicing, soaking, sprouting, and dehydrating. But keep the temperature under 114 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain the food's raw state and nutritional value. With such a diverse array of foods and flavors, the 21 Days Raw Challenge is a culinary adventure that nourishes your body and delights your taste buds. So are you ready to embark on this journey of wellness and flavor? Let's do this together and experience the transformative power of raw living. Are you ready to embark on this transformational journey with the 21 Days Raw Challenge? It's time to step into a world of vibrant health and vitality. This is your personal invitation to join us on this exciting journey. When you sign up, you'll get an incredible support system to help you stay on track. Get a copy of our 21 Days Raw Planner, a comprehensive guide filled with shopping lists and much more. But that's not all. If you want year-long support and accountability on your wealth journey, then join the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. Now remember, while these recommendations are general guidelines, individual healthcare needs may differ. We're not professional medical practitioners or nutritionists, but we're passionate about helping you achieve your wellness goals. Remember, your health is wealth. So, take the challenge, join the community, and let's revolutionize your wellness together. Until next time, raw love my radicals.